Proactiv Plus 3-step skin cleansing program unboxing video. The first step is the Skin Smoothing Exfoliator Facial Cleanser. This is the 177 ml box. So you can use this once or twice a day, wash with water. And I use the facial brush as well with this that I got free with Proactiv. This is actually the kit that you can subscribe to and get it every 3 months. And it's roughly around £20 per month, or you can pay in one lump sum. The second step is the Pore Targeting Treatment Facial Cream 89 ml. I get this subscription because I've just tried to purchase it for years and years on eBay. They didn't really have it in the UK, so I was purchasing from America, so this was the easiest thing for me to do to get it. And the final step is the Complexion Perfecting Hydrator Facial Moisturizer. I've been using Proactiv for years and years. I haven't found anything better for my skin. I've tried high street drugstore stuff and nothing seems to be working, so I've just stuck with the Proactiv Plus and it's been doing it for my skin for years.